Hey DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking Mr. Beam's motion sensor lights, and in today's video, the step-by-step process on how to replace your internal batteries. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, outside on the deck now, we've got a motion sensor light there, right there, and right there. However, we are going to focus on this light and the light over there. We will talk about that in a separate video, which is scrolling above. Definitely check that out. However, let's go grab a ladder and climb up and gain access to that light. Up on the ladder now, and I loosen that knob to allow me to carefully shift this part down. As you can see here, the arrow is aligned with the lock, and with one hand holding it here, the other hand holding it here, go ahead and rotate to the unlock position. And inside here is an additional cap that we will carefully undo, and you've got compression tabs on each side. Go ahead and compress those in, and this top part will pop right off. Again, just by pushing up, that pops up. They are spring loaded, as you can see here. 4 D batteries, and we have Energizer Max D batteries. Let's go and throw the old ones away and install the new ones. I'll do the batteries facing down first. I'll set the old one aside, insert a new one, and the remaining 2 are facing up. New batteries are in. The important thing next is the cap itself. These springs, as you can see here, will go on top of the batteries that are facing down, meaning the negative lead portion of each battery. As you can see here, the springs line up with the negative, and the positive don't have any springs to line up with on this side. The springs are down below inside here. From here, we'll align the cap and press it in place until it resecures in those clips, just like that. And if you put new batteries in and they don't work, just by shifting the compartment that holds your batteries, you can gain access to several Phillips screws. Go ahead and undo those, and you can pull this whole thing out and take a look at your internal lights and leads. Make sure there's no moisture or corrosion in there causing any interruption in electricity. And after you insert and secure the new batteries, the lights stay on for about 15 seconds to test. And from here, as you can see, they just went out. We'll go ahead and resecure them in the mount. Back on the ladder, carefully insert it, align it properly, and shift it until it's locked. From here, I'll be able to shift it back up and resecure or tighten this circular knob. Back down off the ladder, and the way that that is positioned, it gets anything that comes up onto the deck in this general area. From here, what I want to do is reposition the ladder and change the batteries in that unit there. Making progress, new batteries in the new unit, and from here, we'll just wait until nighttime and see how nice they look. See how much they light up of the deck as well as that general area. We're outside now. It's about 11 o'clock at night. Let's see how these lights work. I'm walking to the back. Oh yeah, nice. Not bad. And let's head up on the deck. That one's bright. Oh yeah, nice, right away. So, pretty impressive. And what we need to do next is bring that one back to life. And again, that will be in a separate video scrolling above earlier.